if I'm to tell you the truth, I am way more ashamed of being Canadian than I will ever be of being a sex worker. I'm being a sex worker to survive. I broke ground in Canadian institutions. I've changed policies. I've studied their diplomas, their degrees, everything. And the combination of all that is what? I have to go into sex work. I couldn't do anything meaningful or useful to sustain myself. With all the education I got at Ryerson University, Mohawk College, McMaster University, United Nations University, Institute of Water, Environment, Health, I've been in their institutions studying now for 14 years almost. Almost 14 years I've been studying. I have no money to show for it whatsoever, but they have taken so much of my money. All for what? Bullshit. They haven't taught me anything important. Most of the education I acquired on my own. So I'll tell you something, I'm more embarrassed of being Canadian, because if these are our institutions, I transcended all of them like it was a joke. Do you see what I'm saying? And the fact that Canadians are so ignorant that they don't even see how mediocre their institutions are, that one woman could study the entire system and send it crashing down and prove that it's full of shit. I'm more embarrassed of being Canadian than I'll ever be a sex worker. I do not care if it goes public that I'm a sex worker. I'll tell you something though. For those of you who told me this is going to be on the internet forever, know that it's also going to be on the internet forever that Canadians are uncivilized primates who, when a woman was calling out for help, screaming and crying about the fact that she's being sexually abused, you did absolutely nothing about it because you're animals. Because you're literally animals. It's time for the world to know that Canadians are animals and that you are the nation that deceived all nations. It's time for you to know that you're nothing but beasts. This country is uncivilized. This population is uncivilized. The fact that I've gone to the police multiple times and I've got no help. Not a single lawyer is willing to take on my case. Why? Because they simply cannot believe that this is how gruesome it is, or they're scared. They're scared of, losing their little homes or their little jobs, which, by the way, are all going to be taken over by artificial intelligence robots as soon as I'm in power. I'm going to make sure machines replace all of you, just like how you tried to leave me economically destitute. Yes. Believe you me when I tell you that when I'm in power, I'm going to make sure machines wipe you all out, because you're all filthy beasts. Like Jesus Christ said, moths, vermin, beasts, and demons. That's what Jesus said about you. God said that. God said that you're primate. This is the nation. I'm telling you right now, let the world know. This is the nation, Canada. Canada is the nation that deceived all nations, and it's a population of uncivilized primates with no empathy and no soul, because they don't have God's love within them, because they're slaves to Satan. Curse this nation. Curse you for what you've done to me.